Welcome back to Biology by Shravanti. Today we are going to discuss about the inheritance and variations. So based upon the Mendelian principles of inheritance, the experiment which was based upon the pea plant. So 7 contrasting characters को लेके मेंडल ने explain किया है Mendel principles को. So based upon that Mendel principles, today we are going to discuss about the monohybrid cross and dihybrid cross. So first one going with the monohybrid cross. Before going into topic, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So coming for the monohybrid cross. So in this monohybrid cross, the cross between two pea plants, the Mendel ने select किया है two different pea plants but with only one contrasting characters, like plants height को consider किया. That is, one plant may be tall and another plant may be of short, nothing but draft end condition. If it is a pure homozygous tall, it should be represented with capital T, capital T. If it is a pure dwarf, it should be represented with the small t and small t. That means dominant and one recessive character को लिया. Now coming for the crossing between the parental generation. Now he took the pure draft and pure tall को consider करके this generation is called as the parent generation. Then he crossed with the parent generation, and when the self crossing takes place, 3 tall completely 4 tall आया, but you can see all are in heterozygous tall in nature. When it is self crossed, it is a heterozygous in nature. So tall, pure tall, pure tall. So capital T cross with small t, small t. So capital T, small t and capital T and small t. Again capital T, small t, again capital T, small t. That means it is nothing but the F1 generation. So F1 generation, when it is self-cross, it gets all the 4 gametes, male gametes and female gametes. So he considered the self-crossing of the F1 generation, that is nothing but tall, heterozygous tall. He took the capital T and small t for the self-crossing. So when he started the parent F2 generation self-crossing with one side male gamete, he considered as the capital T and small t, and female gamete as capital T and small t. So this box we call it as the checker box or the Punnett square. So by doing the cross between the male and female gametes, so finally he got one pure homozygous tall and one pure homozygous draft and 2 heterozygous tall plants. So you can see the phenotypic ratio वहाँ पे 1:2:1, क्योंकि one pure homozygous tall आया, one pure homozygous draft आया, and the other 2 are the heterozygous tall. That's why that means completely 3 tall आया and 1 pure short आया. ठीक है. So that is nothing but phenotypically the plant appear, 3 plants appear completely tall and 1 plant appear short. When you go to the genotypic ratio, it is nothing but one is pure tall and one is pure short and 2 are heterozygous tall plants. So that's why the phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio is nothing but, when coming to the phenotypic ratio, 3 tall and 1 draft, while coming to the genotypic ratio, one is pure homozygous tall, one is pure homozygous draft, and 2 are heterozygous tall plants. So this is about the monohybrid cross. So coming for the dihybrid cross. When you see the dihybrid cross, in dihybrid cross, the Mendel experiment performed on the same pea plant, and he took the 2 pairs of the contrasting characters. So he brought a cross between a pea plant producing round yellow colored seeds and pea plant with a wrinkle and green colored seeds. So he took the 2 contrasting characters, that is color, and another one is the shape of the seed, color of the seed and shape of the seed. So this is called as the dihybrid cross. So when in the F1 parent 1 generation, the Mendel selected the pea plants producing round yellow seeds and wrinkle green seed as the parent generation. So he started experimenting on the dihybrid cross. So during this experiment, during the gamete formation, you can see वहाँ पे gamete formation takes place when it is crossed. gamete formation takes place, or formation of P1 generation, that is nothing but parent 1 generation, the pair of gametes separated independently, that is in the form of capital R and capital Y plants, but only the gametes type were formed by, that is nothing but capital R and capital Y, or small r and small y. So but gametes does not form like capital R capital Y वैसे formation नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है. So that is nothing but he took the characters, so self crossing. So finally in F1 generation, ठीक है, first final generation में कैपिटल R आया है, स्मॉल r, कैपिटल Y and small y. So this is the F1 generation. So he took the फोर मेल गैमेट्स को कंसिडर किया एंड 4 फीमेल गैमेट्स को कंसिडर करके, सो ही हैज़ डिड द एक्सपेरिमेंट. सो इन F1 जनरेशन हमको डाइहाइब्रिड क्रॉस में कैसे कैपिटल R कैपिटल Y गैमेट्स कैसे फॉर्म हो गई, कैपिटल R स्मॉल y, R y small r capital Y and small y. This was the 4 gametes which was formed in the F1 generation. So when he did the self crossing with F2 generation, so in this totally 16 different possible gametes are formed. That is nothing but 4 male gametes and 4 female gametes को choose किया है, ठीक है. So 4 male gametes and 4 female gametes को choose करके he did the cross. So top side you can see the male gametes and lower side you can see the this side corner you can see the female gametes. When he did the cross, so cross is taken place. So let us see how to do the cross. So crossing with RY, so we got capital R, capital Y. Next again crossing with capital Y with capital R, small y. Again crossing with capital R, small r, capital Y. Again another gamete formation, capital R, capital Y and smaller y. So in this manner you are going to do the Punnett square box. So this is the way it has been formed. Totally the gamete formations which are taken place here. So when you take the phenotypic ratio, we get the round yellow seeds, wrinkled yellow seeds and round green seeds and wrinkled green seed. That is nothing but the genotypic. When you go with the phenotypic ratio, so we got the 9:3:3:1. So 9 represent round yellow and wrinkled yellow is 3 and round green is 3 and 1 wrinkled green is nothing but 1. So you can see here in the picture, so completely draft phenotypically this appear as the draft. Small r, small y, that is nothing but it is completely wrinkled green, and rest of them are 9:3:3:1. So in that 9 will be rounded yellow, so that is nothing but rounded yellow, and 3 will be of wrinkled yellow, and again 3 will be of round green. So phenotypically they appear as 9:3:3:1 in ratio. Coming for the genotypic ratio, genotypically internally the genotypic ratio will be 1:2:2, 1:2:4:2, 1:2:1. So this is about the dihybrid cross. Thank you for this session. If you like, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.